Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to share you with an amazing technique which is used for manifestation the goals which you exactly want in your life. So this technique is tried, tested, and it works fabulously. I have used it personally in my life to complete or to manifest the goals which I want. So what is this technique name? Its name is 369 method or technique. So those who want to achieve the goals of their life, whatever exactly in health, relationship, career, or money, they can simply use this technique and upgrade their life. So before starting this technique, let me introduce myself. Those who are watching me first time, myself Usha Mahale Bomble. I am a law of attraction coach and a Ho'oponopono healer. So what is this technique? So let's begin with this technique. First of all, get clear about the things what you want to achieve in your four areas of life. So what are the four areas of life? Health, relationship, career, and money. So you should be clear that what exactly you want in your health, relationship, career, and money. Write down an affirmation for the same thing. And if you don't know how you're going to make an affirmation, so my other YouTube video is there, types of making an affirmation and rules for making an affirmation. So go through that two videos and you'll get the clarity that how you're going to make an affirmation. And after that, use this 369 method. So once your affirmation is ready, write down that affirmation morning three times, and in the afternoon, six times you have to write down, and at the night you have to write down before going to bed nine times. So this is what the 369 method. So you should have the clarity of the goal, what exactly you want to achieve in your health, relationship, career, and money. I would suggest that take only one goal so that you will come to know that whether this technique is useful for you or not. Suppose if you have taken the health, stick to that health and complete this challenge for next 33 days so that all your goals of your health or whatever you want the upgradation in your health, you will come to know and it will get manifested soon. So this is what today's technique. I hope you liked the video. So if you have liked it, press the like button. If you have used it and if you have got it, you got the results, and come back here and put the comment that yes, we have got this result, and please share it with your three friends so that they can also use or manifest their goals and upgrade their frequency. And if you have not yet subscribed, you are coming here for the first time, please subscribe it and press the bell button so that next time, whenever I'll upload the new video, you'll get the notification and you can use that in your life. So thank you so much for watching me. Love you all. Bye bye. Take care.